KMTP, Korea Medical Training Program, is Korea's premier intergovernmental healthcare training initiative, designed specifically for medical professionals from the Middle East. The Korea Medical Training Program is operated by KIDI, a government-affiliated organization with the support of the Ministry of Health and Welfare. KMTP offers hands-on experience across various healthcare fields, from clinical practice to advanced medical technologies, enabling medical professionals to enhance their expertise in Korea's leading healthcare institutions. In the past 11 years, KMTP has trained more than 360 international medical practitioners. KMTP operates through intergovernmental agreements, partners with Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Oman, specialized training for doctors and dentists.
The curriculum of the KMTP program is well-structured and diverse, with 2 tracks for doctors and dentists. For physician training, we offer a total of 30 specialties across 12 hospitals. For dental training, we offer a total of 6 specialties across 4 hospitals.
The most distinctive feature of Korean Medical Training Program, which is KMTP, is it allows hands-on practice in the hospital. In this KMTP, trainees are expected to participate in the actual clinical settings, so our trainees can learn practical knowledge, surgical picks, and wisdom from their mentors.
KMTP means valuable experience and broadening my horizons as a medical professional. The Korean Medical Training Program is a transformative journey that equipped me with advanced skills.
The Korean Medical Training Program provides a hands-on experience in medical practice. I'm eager to learn and advance Korean surgical techniques.
Working at the university hospital, you may experience a lot about clinical cases. So you may experience various people, various patients with different level of needs, demands, and also medical problems.
Here you can learn world-class dental techniques, experience and a new culture, form international networks.
I can say that Korean Medical Training Program is outstanding in the field of surgery, as there are many new and unique surgical approaches.
Korean Medical Training Program is not just about learning medical skills. We provide concierge services and facilities, including a prayer room, to help ease cultural adjustments during your training period in Korea. We also provide programs for Korean language training and cultural understanding. Through these programs, trainees can build a global medical network.
KMTP is an opportunity, it's a challenge, so I'm proud for being selected for this program.
By participating in KMTP, don't hesitate to give it a try. This program will be an incredible turning point in your medical career.
I believe Korean Medical Training Program is a bridge connecting medical care in Korea and medical care in Middle East together.